Completing a work order in Maximo Application Suite. In this section, we'll walk through how to plan and schedule a work order. Start by opening the work order you want to plan. In the Work Order Main tab, scroll down to the Scheduling Information section. Here, you can begin by entering optional schedule start and schedule finish date and time fields. These are used for preliminary planning and can be adjusted later. You can also enter optional target start and target finish dates. These represent the expected execution window for the work. Enter the expected duration of the job. Now, scroll down to the Responsibilities section. Completing this section is optional. Assign a work group responsible for the task. When work group is selected, the lead should automatically be populated based on the primary member of the selected group. The lead will oversee the work. Next, we will navigate to the Plans tab. We will add planned labor, materials, services, and tools. This part is also optional as these are simply estimations made during the planning phase to ensure the job is properly scoped and resourced. In the Labor tab, click New Row. Add planned labor. Specify the craft or labor and estimated hours. Click on the Materials tab to add planned materials. Search and select the item, quantity, and storeroom. In the Services tab, add any planned services that will be performed by external vendors. We won't add any planned services at this time. Under the Tools tab, add any planned tools required for the job, including quantity and tool hours. We won't add any planned tools at this time. Next, if needed, go to the Related Records tab to link relevant work orders, service requests, or change records. This will create a relationship between this work order and other work orders or tickets. Once all planning details are complete and reviewed, change the work order status to Approved. Under Common Actions, click Approve Work Order. In the pop-up, verify that new status will be approved, click OK. The status of the work order will then update to Appr. This indicates the work is ready to be executed. We'll cover how to process and report actuals on a work order in Maximo. Navigate to the Actuals tab. This is where you'll record all labor, materials, services, and tools used during the job. First, go to the Labor tab. If you entered planned labor, you should be able to find and add the labor that was planned. If nothing was entered in plans, click New Row and enter the craft or labor and hours worked. Next, move to the Materials tab. Add any items that were used by selecting them from reserved items, inventory, or entering them manually. Include the quantity and the storeroom they were issued from. In the Services tab, record any external services that were performed. Enter the vendor, service description, and actual cost. Under Tools, add any planned tools that were used during the job or enter them manually. Include the storeroom, quantity, and duration of use. Now, go to the Log tab. Add a new log entry to describe what was done, any issues encountered, and any follow-up actions needed. In the Main Work Order tab, upload any supporting documentation, such as photos or completed inspection forms, using the View Attachments button. Finally, don't forget to enter the actual start and actual finish date and time fields on the Main Work Order tab, to reflect when the work began and ended. Once all actuals are recorded and reviewed, the work order is ready for final approval or closure. Click Complete Work Order under Common Actions to change the status of the work order to Comp.